How do I film and not make it obvious that I'm filming?
Now it's going to feel like I'm acting.
Yeah.
Well, deal with this
Do it
social
anyway?
freedom of it.
I would have never done. Yeah, that feels really forced.
You just did something he would have never done before. Death time.
Say deaf or deaf?
Death. Death time. Did you read the book or any of the mission packs?
I read the dating Bible.
Yep. Did you read the mission packs?
I don't think so.
Good, then these will be surprises. All right. So, death time is very simple. You're gonna walk up to anybody. This could be a guy, girl, couple, doesn't matter. And you don't have a watch, so that's great. You're gonna go like this. Right? I can't talk to you every time. And once they tell you the time, you're going to turn your back on them. Go look for me. I'll be somewhere behind you. And you're gonna stand in place, turn your back, and scream, "It's 12:30!" Right? And you're not going to look at their reaction. You're not going to turn back around. You're just going to walk away. Right? Any questions?
To stave off excuses, I probably should go to the bathroom, and then I can't say, well, I gotta go to the bathroom first as an excuse not to do so.
One more, Mike.
Give us another woo!
Both of you together. Let's go.
Yeah, what's yours? What's your one? If you're in the middle of a rock concert, you're in the crowd, they play your favorite song, what do you shout out?
Now? I don't know.
Well, now's the time. And I should close it. Two at the time, scream the time, walk away. It's 12:30! 2:14.
Well, I'm walking through the night. I need loving. You don't give me that sugar, I don't feel right.
Okay, you can do yeah, you can do woo, you can do
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, give me a big loud yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Awesome.